Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
NFC tags let your iPhone read simple actions and data when nearby. Background NFC reading works on iPhone XS and later when the phone is awake. Hold the top of the iPhone within 1 inch, roughly 2.5 cm, of the tag to ensure a reliable read. Tags can store small payloads like URLs, contact info, or a shortcut trigger. Choose N-Tag 21X series tags for broad compatibility and inexpensive costs. Avoid metal surfaces and thick cases that block the NFC field. Open the Shortcuts app to create an NFC automation quickly and reliably. Tap the Automation tab, then choose Create Personal Automation to start a new trigger. Scroll down and select NFC, then tap Scan and hold the top of the iPhone to the tag. Name the tag clearly so you can reuse it later without confusion. Add actions such as Open URL, Set Volume, or Run Shortcut to define what happens on scan. Disable Ask before running for true one-tap automation when you prefer automatic execution. Always test your NFC automation with the iPhone screen on for fastest results. Background reads usually require the phone to be awake, though recent models can detect tags quickly. If a tag fails to register, remove the phone case and reposition the tag within 1 inch, then retry. Check that the tag type is N-Tag or N-Tag 21X for best compatibility and avoid locked or encrypted tags. Remember that very old iPhones and some industrial tags may not be supported by shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.